In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on Binance for USDT. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use every time, keeping it simple and clear. First, open Binance. Once you're in, head to the Assets section. This is where you can see everything you hold and its current value. Think of it as your dashboard for balances. From here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Picking it from your list, make sure you're acting on the right coin, which helps avoid mistakes when markets move quickly. Next, you'll choose the trading pair. A trading pair tells Binance what you want to receive in exchange for your crypto. We usually sell to USDT because it's a popular stablecoin that tracks the US dollar, making it a convenient place to park value without the price swings of other coins. When you select the pair, you're saying, sell this coin for USDT. Now choose sell. This brings you to the trading screen, where you'll see price, recent trades, and the order form. Here's an important choice. Order type. A limit order lets you set a specific price. You're telling the system the minimum price you're willing to accept. If the market reaches that price, your order can fill, either partially or fully. It's useful when you want control over price and aren't in a rush, but it might not fill right away or at all if the market doesn't get there. A market order immediately sells at the current market price. It's fast and straightforward, ideal when you want to exit quickly, but remember it fills at the best available prices in the order book, which can vary slightly, especially in thin markets. Then choose your amount. You can enter the quantity in crypto terms, like how many units you want to sell, or switch to USDT to target the amount you want to receive. Many traders use the percentage buttons to quickly select 25, 50, 75, or 100% of their holdings. Keep an eye on minimum trade sizes and fees. If your amount is too small, the order may not go through. When everything looks right, click Sell. A market order will execute right away, and you'll see your USDT balance update in Assets. A limit order will remain open until it's filled at your chosen price. That's the full process. Open Binance, go to Assets, pick your coin, select the USDT pair, choose Sell, pick Limit or Market, set your amount, and click Sell. Always double check the pair and order type before submitting, and you'll trade with confidence.